Microsoft has recently provided a feature to edit Dataverse tables in Excel Online and Desktop. Tables over 1 million rows can still be edited, but only the first 1 million. To enable this feature requires the installation of the associated Excel add-in, which works in both online and desktop versions of Excel. So, let's install the add-in. We click the link in the provided Microsoft Help page, which takes us to the Microsoft Store page for that add-in. Once installed, let's go back to Power Apps, where we can see out example Dataverse table. In this case, the passengers table. In the Edit menu tab at the top of the page, select Edit in Excel. This downloads the file to your local machine. And from here we can open the file in Excel Desktop. Here, I encountered errors opening the file. It was the first time I had used the add-in. There is a note about this in the Microsoft Help page. Though, in my case, I just waited 5 minutes and then tried again downloading the Excel file. I didn't enable the add-in or make any changes to settings. Finally, I got the file to open in Excel Desktop. I did, click Enable Editing. Once downloaded, I copied the Excel file to my OneDrive online. From there I opened the Excel file and the add-in worked there also. Now the add-in opens. It took around 2 minutes to load. Then I had to sign in. And here we can see the data appear in a formatted table. I have only one row, as you can see. As I move across the table, the field names display in the add-in. Here, I edit the passenger name value from John to Johnny. I then go to the add-in pane and click the Publish link. Status notes appear briefly underneath. Once completed, I navigate to the browser again to examine the passenger table in Power Apps. First refreshing, of course. And we can see that the value has, indeed, been updated to Johnny. There is extra functionality called Adjusting Columns. You cannot, at this time, edit column names. You can move columns, add columns and remove columns only. To do this, you have to click the Enable Design option. To do this, click the gear icon in the add-in, then click on Data Connectors, then click on the option box. Whilst the workbook allows you to edit the column name and seemingly publish it, it will not have worked. You can check this from within the add-in. In the design view, you can see that the field name appears to have been changed to passenger named. When I double-click the field name in the Selected Fields box at the bottom of the add-in, it is moved into the Available Fields box, and here we can see that the name is, indeed, not changed. Even when clicking the Update button, it still does not work. And finally, I demonstrate how to batch upload thousands of records into a Dataverse table using this add-in. After creating the extra rows, I then carefully pasted them into the workbook. Here we can see there are 15,000 rows including the header row. Here I stopped at column N. You cannot, at this time, use a blank workbook and then call the add-in to operate on that blank workbook. Once the paste was made, I then simply clicked Publish. Excel tells us that we are attempting to write to read-only fields. We accept the warning to revert those field values. The status of the publishing is shown at the bottom of the add-in pane. The count of records uploaded is shown. Here I got an error. However, when checking the number of records uploaded, it was 14,999. So, perhaps this is a spurious error. It might be the case that the best way to batch upload to Dataverse is not through this add-in but through the provided functionality in Power Apps, via Import Data from Excel. I have made a video about that on my YouTube channel. Check out my business website too.